guys, so today I'm about to show you all how I make my groundnut soup. For this recipe, I am going to be using chicken wings. This is a kilo of chicken wings. I'm going to be boiling this with some fresh basil that I got from the garden. I'm going to be adding some salt. I'm going to steam this with an already blended ginger, garlic, and onion paste mixture. So this is how our meat is looking before cooking, and now this is how it looks when it started boiling. Now I'm going to be adding my fresh vegetables. So I'm going to be adding 1 large onion, some fresh tomatoes, and some fresh peppers. This is how it should look. Now you have to cover this and let it simmer gently together with the cooking chicken. At this point, we have to get a separate bowl and start cooking our groundnut paste. So I just mixed the groundnut paste with some water, set it on fire, and then I'm going to be adding my tomato paste. As you can see, I used the quarter size of the tomato paste. Mix it together till it is well combined, and then you allow it to cook. As you can see, this wasn't well mixed, so I continued mixing it till it was well combined. Now, once our tomatoes and other vegetables are cooked, we are going to take it out and blend it in our blender. Now, once the peppers, tomatoes, and onions are out, we are going to be adding our cooked groundnut paste mixture that has some oil settled on top. Also, I'm going to be adding my blended vegetables, and then I will be adding some water to allow the soup lighten up a bit. I let my soup simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes on low heat until it was well reduced and well cooked. Now I'm going to pair this with some hot coconut tea. Let me serve you guys your portion. Every Ghanaian knows what it means when the asanka is pulled out. It is a family thing. So we are going to be having this together as a family, and this is how our meal looks. Thank you so much for watching, guys.